In this problem, if $2,500 is invested in an account that pays interest compounded continuously, how long will it take to grow to $5,000 at 8%? Well, it says compounded continuously. When it says the word continuous, that means it's your PERT formula. So we're going to use A is equal to PE to the RT power. And let's see what they give us. If $2,500 is invested, so that's your beginning amount, that's your principal. So P is going to equal to $2,500. Pays interest compounded continuously. How long will it take to grow to 5,000? So that 5,000 is supposed to be our ending amount at 8%. So they're giving us R is 8%, and you always want that in decimal form for this formula. And it says how long will it take, so they're wanting us to find T. Well, let's plug in everything we're given. So A is 5,000, P is 2,500, E to the R, which is 0.08 T power. Now this is an exponential equation, so let's refresh our memory on the steps for solving an exponential equation. So solving an exponential equation. Step 1. Get the part with the variable in the exponent by itself. No numbers in front of it, no numbers after it. Step 2. Take natural log of both sides. Step 3. Use properties of logs to get the variable out of the exponent. I'll learn to type here someday. And step 4, solve for x. Okay. Step 1, get the part of the variable in the exponent by itself. What we mean by that is this part of the variable in the exponent, we don't want anything in front of it or anything after it. And we got 2,500 in front of it, so we're going to divide both sides by 2,500. $5,000 divided by 2,500 is 2, and then those 2,500s will cancel. And we got E to the 0.08 T power. Step 2. Take natural log of both sides, ln. So natural log of 2 is equal to natural log of E to the 0.08 T power. Step 3. Use properties logs to get the variable out of the exponent. Remember the base on ln. If I were to put it in there, it's base E. And when these numbers match, then the ln and E is going to cancel. So those are all going to drop away. And we got natural log of 2 is equal to 0.08 T. And then step 4, I say solve for x. But in this case, we don't have an x, we're solving for t. So we're going to divide both sides by 0.08. So natural log of 2 divided by 0.08 is equal to 0.08 t divided by 0.08. So t is going to equal to natural log of 2 close parentheses divided by 0.08. Enter. And I'll get back there eventually. Didn't say what to round it to. Okay, well I'll take it to 2 decimal places. 8.66. Well, let me just click it to get back there. 8.66. There we go. You could also use the fact that we're doubling our money here. And that's where you take your 72 divided by your interest rate, so 72 divided by 8. and then you round like normal. You won't get exactly 8.66, but this is an approximation. But anyway, that's how you do it. Because you're not always doubling your money, so it's good to see this step-by-step approach.